Hi guys, I hope you have a good and productive summer this year and hot summer. We actually do. We're so busy that I can barely get any sleep. Obviously don't have time to record videos. Today is Sunday and I have a little project that I wanted to address. I do have my DeWalt vacuum. This is a vacuum I've been using for a long time and I really like it. The only problem it has, see, this was supposed to be a temporary fix. It fell a few times and it actually broke the holder here. So there's supposed to be like a piece of plastic that catches. I think I removed it already, and it cracked. So there's nothing to hold yellow to black part together and squeeze it. If I leave it without tape, the air just passes through the crack and there's no good suction. So I taped it on both sides, but I think even though this side it's still good, I taped it all around. So I would like to design and 3D print this piece that goes here, so I can remove this tape and unprofessional look from my vacuum. I don't want to buy a new vacuum just because this little plastic clip broke. So I will be disassembling this unit and hopefully I can design the piece and 3D print. This is my hobby. I bought a 3D printer a while ago and I was 3D printing some stuff. I learned how to design stuff. So yeah, this is what I'll be using. This is the Bamboo Lab P1S. I got a yellow filament for it, so now it's just I just need to design the correct dimension part and insert it. I will be disassembling the vacuum and I'll take still working part, but this is on the left side, so I need basically to take all the dimensions from this piece and basically do it for the other side. So stick around if you're interested and we'll see how it's gonna end up. So this is the actual piece that I'm talking about. This is how it works. So it catches on it and then it locks two parts together, and on this side it got cracked, so I don't have anything. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Alright, so I got this piece. I need to sketch the new one. I'm using Fusion to design this, and I will update you once I have drawn everything and it will be ready for printing.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is what came out. I'm gonna send it to the printer and first we're gonna do the draft to see if that fits. After that we're gonna improve the quality and strength of the item. Alright, so here's what we have. Let's check it out. Let's compare it to the original part. So this is still sample. This is printed like not in a good quality. Just want to make sure it fits. So yeah, these I decided just to flatten the whole thing so the part will be a better quality. Let's see. We got like so. Let's try to get it to the vacuum. So it sits good here. Now I'm just gonna try to put the screws from the back. I didn't make a thread. That might be a problem. I just cut out the hole. Let's see. The hole might be too small actually for the screws. Do try to manually do this from here. Yeah, this is way too small. Okay, so I will need a bigger one. Okay. Yeah, this is garbage now. I will put a bigger hole and make this not a sample but like the original quality part, and we'll see after it prints out. Yeah, but the hole I cut out, I designed, it's too small, unfortunately. I can use different screw, but yeah, we'll just do the bigger hole then. Alright, so I printed out a new piece. The hole is still a little small, but I managed to put a screw inside. I specifically made a smaller hole just so the thread will create a path for the screw. It looks like it's going. I hope it's not gonna crack. So I'm gonna start screwing this one, and then I'll put it into the vacuum and see if it works. Piece is installed. Let's try to put the screws back. But we'll do the adjustment and I will create a bigger hole for the future pieces. Okay, looks like it's holding. Now I'm gonna put the old one to the other side, and then we'll assemble everything back and see if it holds. Alright, so I put the screws back for the vacuum here. Gonna insert the filter. You probably can't even tell the difference between two pieces. Just the color that I have is slightly lighter yellow. Okay, let's put this back. All right, now I'll start with the old piece. So that's how it closes it. And then let's check this out. Okay, it did close. I was worried that it's gonna crack because there's so much force that it's creating on the plastic. I'll do it a few times. Well, boom, no need tape anymore. Alright guys, that was the little project for Sunday when I had to fix my vacuum. I'll see how long it lasts, but pretty confident that should hold up. Oh, I'm so glad I don't have to use tape anymore, because when I have the dust in the vacuum and I need to go and remove water, let's say, from the pan, you know, I have to retape it again. That sucks. Now you just open this and you're done. By the way, this is not, so they have DCV 581H model, and if you want to order this online, it looks like that's the part you need when you type in the model number, but when the part actually arrives, it's slightly wider to where it goes into holes, and I ordered the wrong one. I ordered this piece, which didn't work because these are slightly, I think they are shorter in distance. I think I needed a wider to fit the hole, because they don't fit the holes. So then I decided to build one myself, because this one is for type 1 vacuum, and as you can see here it says type 2. So there is a miscommunication and misunderstanding on the DeWalt website. They state it's for this model, but they don't state the type. So type 1 and type 2, these are different. That's why a lot of reviews are bad on Amazon or eBay, where people order this and they actually say, oh, it doesn't fit, because it's a different type. I already reached out to the support and they explained me yeah, why it wouldn't fit. But yeah, anyway, hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button, consider subscribing, and I appreciate you all watching the channel. It's growing slowly, so I'll keep uploading other videos whenever I can. Yeah, let me know in the comments if this was interesting, and I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.